challenge that Challenger 5 said. And hold your breath underwater for 60 seconds, and I don't think I'm going to do it. So my personal goal is going to try and get 30. Okay. So is someone going to get
3, 2, 1.
How much time did I get? So how much time did I get, Jared? 32 seconds. So I got my goal. I didn't get my goal, but I know. Well, I didn't get Challenger 5s, but I tried. I got 32 seconds, 0.4. But that's all I can do. 30 seconds is still a long time.